This is
the June update.
Finally, Samsung released the so-called famous June update AWF1 to some parts of Europe. I have just sent this message 6 hours ago on my community page, guys, and I got already confirmation. So Serbia got the AWF1 update. Another guy is Lito Serrazo. I'm not sure where he's based, but he also got it. Also available in Romania, and I also get confirmation that it's available also in Bulgaria. Some other people are not getting it yet, and they are just hoping to not get the green line issue. I really hope not, God forbid. And some people, Sunil is asking, when are we gonna get it in India? Some people also don't want to update. I'm not sure. Everybody knows better for himself, like they're saying. But guys, I want to show you something. This here is what I got from the AWF1 update when I flashed it. You remember the story? I had to change my CAC from EUX Europe to Thailand to get it, then go back. And okay, very sparse, very small change, but it was there. Stability and reliability improved. Device behavior improved. Security all protected, and I mean, wow. Just what a change log. The EUX, guys, still nothing. It's still AWDA1, and also I was checking with some firmware. If you go and check the SMS918 big eyes, you can just see we started off from Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, Thailand, which was on the 15th, and then also Philippines. 6 days later, guys, Brazil, all right, also operators, and Panama. But there are more cities, right? And I checked everything that is available on some firmware. They don't have it all because it's also in Romania and also in Serbia and Bulgaria, which means that the EUX version is there for sure. So if you guys have an S23 device, just go download it. Apparently Samsung is working here on a new update, and once the firmware enters the open stage, it means that the update is inevitably come, which actually happened just to Europe. So Europe went into this open stage, so you or we all guys got the WF1, which is apparently halted, right? But then it seems that they're also working on some other updates. So some regions, apparently like Serbia and Romania, so part of Europe, will get AWF1, while China and South Korea will receive a new version which will contain even more optimization. Is this now this BWF2? Who knows, guys? But the thing is, the update is there, so I will now resume my testing. Go download it, guys. Check here, report your findings on the site. Yeah, stay safe. VST over and bye.